Hey, what is up YouTube? This is Burke bringing you the first video to the channel. I'm going to have the 56 mostly in it today. I'll show the 2019 Silverado a little bit, but I wanted to go over the 56 and the plans that I have for it. So behind me here, got the 56. Let me flip the camera around. All right, and here she is. So it is a 1956 Chevy 3200 long bed in patina right now. Doors have been painted, so a little rough. Metal's a little rough, but nothing that we can't fix. It's got a lot of charm to it though. So first we'll go over the interior, which isn't much. Want to redo the whole interior. Headliner, it's pretty old. Seat is pretty custom. And speedometer doesn't work. But it's a good start to a project. It's got a custom shifter in it right now, which is way too long and heavy, even though it looks freaking cool. It's kind of impractical. That's pretty much the interior. The plan is to do leather seats, leather bench seat, leather headliner, Dakota digital gauge, repaint it all. Floor's not bad. I got a defroster hose still hanging, but it's nothing I can't fix. And the steps really aren't too bad either, although they need replaced more than likely. Coming back here to the bed. It's in pretty good shape. Tailgate's a little rough. Still have the sticker, well, or what's left of the glue from the sticker from the dealership of when it was new, which is pretty freaking cool. Bumper. The wheel wells have been tubbed. It's got a plywood wood bed in it right now. Plan on changing that out. But it's got some pretty thick meat. Coming around to the passenger side. This side's a little more rough, honestly. The door's got a pretty big dent in it. Got a dent here. Don't know what happened, but get those taken out. The emblems are in good shape though still. Come around to the front. Got the LED headlights now. I love the halogen. It really gives it that vintage classic vibe, but for night driving, and as much as I drive this, it just was not practical. The LED lights are so much better. You can see so much better at night. See if I can pop the hood here without. Here's the engine. It's got a Chevy 350 in it, 4-barrel Edelbrock, electric choke, distributor, electronic ignition. Runs pretty good. Headers. Probably going to need to get a new radiator hose because it's freakishly close to the fan, but it hasn't cut it yet. But it runs good. That's what matters. Although the plan is to eventually put an LS in it. I know LS swap it, but I want the reliability. The 350 is fun. It's good for around the local area, the state, but for going out of state, I feel better with an LS engine. All right, video of it running. So you can see them LED headlights. They're so much better. and this motor runs really good. Very happy with how she's running. Though it's still pretty rough right now, it's not cleaned up. But at least she runs at the moment. So, that is the 56. She's looking really good. Look at them headlights. I know not everybody likes them, but I like them. Anyhow, she's getting ready to go to the body shop here soon. A buddy of mine is taking on the paint and body work, and I'll continue to bring updates as it progresses. He'll also be doing probably quite a few other things, helping me out on it as well, as this is the first time I've taken on this big of a project. So be sure to like and subscribe and continue to follow. Hopefully you guys like the content I bring, and also remember, follow me on Instagram at hey_Burke. I appreciate it. You guys have a good one. Bye. For 1956, pretty good. Of course, it's got a Chevy 350 in it, 4-speed Mustang, but she moves.